This is all about.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make one of Nigeria's most loved soups, Ogbono soup. It's rich, thick, flavorful, and perfect with swallow like iba, pounded yam, fufu, or semolina. Whether you're a beginner or you've made Ogbono soup before, this step-by-step guide will help you get that smooth, stretchy, delicious texture every single time. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. You can use either fresh pepper, dry pepper, or blended hot pepper mix. Palm oil, this gives it color and richness. Pour in your pepper mix. Add your crayfish. This is essential for that traditional taste. Stir lightly to prevent lumps and ensure a smooth, stretchy draw. Pour in the grounded ogbono into the palm oil. Stir it until it forms a smooth paste. Some people fry ogbono directly in oil in the pot, but this mixing method prevents burning and guarantees smooth results. If it's becoming too thick, add more water or meat stock little by little, until you get the consistency you like. Some prefer ogbono thick, others like it lighter and more soupy.
1,000 flavors in one bite. It's delicious.
Keep stirring for 3 to 5 minutes to eliminate any lumps. Season with seasoning cubes. Once the ogbono base is smooth, add your meat, stockfish, or smoked fish into the soup.
It's 1,000 flavors in one bite. It's 1,000 flavors in one bite. It's 1,000 flavors in one bite. It's delicious.
We cook with homegrown ingredients. Looks good, tastes even better. Yummy plate of goodness. Give you all kinds of food.
This is where the flavor really deepens.
Sorted cooking style and garnish. 1,000 flavors in one bite. Enjoyable, playful, and gratifying.
Give the pot a good stir, and let everything simmer together for about 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, the rich flavors will blend beautifully into the thick ogbono soup. If you like your soup extra rich, add a little more palm oil at this stage. But if you prefer it lighter or want a healthier version, you can reduce the palm oil. It will still taste delicious.
This is all about.
Add salt to taste.
EsteeLicious, the Afro-continental cuisine. EsteeLicious, it's delicious. EsteeLicious, it's delicious. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Yeah, it looks good. It tastes even better. Mouth-watering delicacies. We cook with homegrown ingredients. EsteeLicious. It's delicious. EsteeLicious. It's delicious. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
Now it's time for the vegetables.
It's lit.
You can use Yugu fluted pumpkin. It is mild and nutritious. Or uziza leaves. It adds a peppery, aromatic flavor. You can also add fresh or dried bitter leaf. It adds depth and balance. I'll be using okra to add to the stretchy texture and yugu leaves.
It's delicious.
Whichever you choose, add it last so it stays vibrant and fresh.
It's delicious.
For yugu, add it and let it simmer for just 2 to 3 minutes. Stir everything gently, making sure the soup stays smooth and stretchy.
It's 1,000 flavors in one bite. It's 1,000 flavors in one bite. It's 1,000 flavors in one bite. It's delicious.
We cook with homegrown ingredients. Looks good, tastes even better. Yummy plate of goodness. Give you all kinds of food inspiration. It's lit. Assorted cooking style and garnish.
Now taste for salt and seasoning.
Enjoy
Add more if needed.
and gratifying.
By this time, your ogbono should look glossy, thick, and beautifully drawn. Exactly how a classic bowl should be. You can serve hot with iba, pounded yam, wheat, semolina, fufu, or soft amala. And that's it, a warm, rich, delicious pot of ogbono soup, perfect for any day. Thank you for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this step-by-step process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EsteeLicious for more kitchen tutorials.
This is all about
See you in the next recipe.
delicious. It's delicious. The Afro-continental cuisine. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Yeah, it looks good. It tastes even better. Mouth-watering, delicious delicacies.